I had lots and lots. I had lots and lots of spare lemons, and then I saw this hack actually on Instagram, and it's amazing. So what you do is wash your lemons and then find yourself a nice bottle and then clean the lemons and then put them in a bottle of water like this in the fridge. It lasts for weeks and it's fresh, and whenever you need the lemons, you just take them out and then use them as you need them. An amazing hack. This is what we do here on this channel. Tips. So I go to the market all the time, and they had loads and loads of avocados, and I wouldn't have been able to finish them. They were like, I don't know, about 20 avocados for like, I don't know, a couple of quid, which was a bargain. And if you don't know me, what you will find out is we don't throw anything away. So I took the big box of avocados, and it's the same principle. Get yourself a bottle, a jar, fill it up with water, put the avocados in there, still fresh and lovely, and again they last for weeks. So here is the avocado. It's amazing. I'm going to get a knife and cut it for you now and show you that, oh, I bought this about 2 weeks ago, these avocados. They've been in the fridge, in the bottle. Let me show you. Beautiful, beautiful, ready to eat. So I love to share tips. I'm a single mum. I'm not about to throw stuff away. We're not about waste. So if you follow me, there's going to be tips. There's going to be easier ways to do stuff. I even make my own milk. This is oat milk, really easy to make. How did I make it? Half a cup of oats, soak it with 3 dates. Soak it for an hour or two. The longer you soak it, the better. Now you don't need a fancy zhuzh machine. I call them the zhuzh. You don't need a fancy zhuzh, but if you have, then do it. After an hour or two, then just get yourself a muslin cloth and then squeeze it through. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze the liquid through the muslin cloth. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And then add a little bit more water because it might be quite thick. Some vanilla and some salt. The salt is really good for flavour, but also it makes it last longer. And then you have your own oat milk. You don't need to buy the expensive stuff, which has got lots and lots of preservatives, gums, and all kinds of stuff in there, which is not healthy and good for you. This will last in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. You can make your cereal with it. You can put it in your tea and your coffee. It's very nice if you have hot chocolate. It's very smooth and delicious. Make your own. Save the money. Why are you spending all that money on the shop bought stuff? And I know you're going to say, oh, I don't have time. Listen, find time for your health. Why am I passionate about it? Well, my parents got really sick quite a few years ago with diabetes, and it was really sad to watch them get ill, and realizing that the food that they ate, the drinks that they drank, and everything about their lifestyle since coming to this country, which is London, England, this is the reason why they ended up with diabetes, because of the food, the lifestyle. They became more sedentary, etc. And yes, diabetes and loads of associated illnesses all came together, and now they are no longer here, which has made me more passionate about lifestyle, well-being, and tips. So as a single mum of 2 boys, at some point I actually got very busy looking at how do I, number one, make sure that my children and I make the right decisions health-wise, so that they can have a happy, wholesome, full life, not worrying about sickness, not worrying about health and disease. And because I'm a singer, I love to bring joy to you using my music. So I do affirmations. Every Monday morning I do affirmations. We do meditation, part of the Singing Vegan Mum family. Listen, this is a well-being channel, and if you're interested in tips, food ideas, recipes, fun, I do proverbs from the Caribbean because my parents are from Jamaica, then listen, this is the place to be. So anyway, look, this is just me introducing myself to you, giving you a few quick hacks. Don't forget to follow me, like and share, subscribe, tell everybody about me. I'm doing shorts, I'm doing morning affirmations, there are events, there's music. I also have a website, www.jbrose.co.uk. There's things for you to buy on my website, like my e-cookbook, which has got very simple recipes and tips for you if you want to go plant-based or you just want to eat healthy. You don't have to be plant-based to watch me. You don't. There's affirmation music just to make sure that you are also mentally healthy, that you're focused, that you realize that you're abundant, that you're at peace, that you are loved, that you are meant to be. Follow me here on this lifestyle channel, JB Rose, Singing Vegan Mum. You won't regret it. You're gonna love it.